Right guys, hope you're doing well. In this short video I'm going to show you how to put one of these onto a door. Sounds simple, is it? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and check the bell so you get notifications whenever I release a video. Thanks very much guys. This is what you'll need: a cordless screwdriver, your kit, your knocker kit, which is going to consist of two pieces. This is your base plate and this is the knocker, obviously. And a small pilot hole drill bit and a little bit of a bigger drill bit, which is probably 5mm, and some small screws and a pencil. First of all, we need to put the base plate on. So we're going to run it in line with this lead here. This style of door, there's not many places you can put the knocker, you see. Can't put it up there. This is the best place really. We're going to mark the screw mark, mark that mark. There's 4 screw marks we need to mark in. How this works guys, there's some clips, you can see those that grip onto the knocker at the back there, you see, so we need to drill bigger holes for them. There's 2 of them, one there and one there, and on the back of the knocker here you can see they grip onto that back plate, okay, like so. We're going to mark the screw mark, mark that mark. There's 4 screw marks we need to mark in. Now how this works, guys, there's some clips, you can see those that grip onto the knocker at the back there, you see, so we need to drill bigger holes for them. There's 2 of them, one there and one there, and on the back of the knocker here you can see they grip onto that back plate, okay, like so. Like that. So we'll put that on now. We'll make our drill marks now with our pallet. Alright. Okay. So that's here. See a bit there. So you can see that we only need to go in that depth, which is about 10 mil. Okay, so that is flush. Next up, we're going to screw 20 mil screws in. And that is solid, that plate solid on there. It's just a case of knock it on now. And there we have it, guys. That's how you put a knocker on the door. Simple as that. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like rating. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.